Hello digital fellas, welcome back to my channel Wizartist. In this video I'm going to tell you how to download an app. So first of all you have to open Google Play Store, okay? It will be automatically available by default in your Android system. So you'll get like this. If you are on a game section, you have to click on the app section to download an app. Alright, and then you can search for a particular app. For example, I'm going to search for a video editor. So I'm going to search for a video editor. Now you need to have internet if you want to download an app. So if you will have internet connection, you will get a lot of options whatever you're searching. And then I can download any app. Suppose I'll take the first one, Vita, and I'll simply click on this install green button. If you want to check the reviews, you can just come down and have a look, and you can see the reviews. And this one, the 4.2, is the average of all the reviews, so you can get to know how is the app. You can look at the app's dark side and the white side also. Alright, so now you have to click on the install button if you really like the app, and okay, and then it will start downloading. So you'll have to wait, and if it is written verified by Play Protect, means this will not cause any virus in your Android system and it is safe. So it will take a little bit time to download. So you can have a look how much percent it is download. Here 24, and like that it will download. You can even look how much space it is consuming in your Android system. Here it is written 41.60 MB. Alright. So it's downloaded. So once it will be downloaded, you can see that this screen will appear. So now if you want to open it, you can click on this open button, or if you want to uninstall it, you don't want it or you don't like it or some other reasons, you can click on this uninstall button here, and it will ask you, do you want to uninstall this app? So you can either click on cancel or okay. I'll click on okay, and it will start uninstalling. Now you have to install the app again if you need it once more. So like this you can search for a variety of apps. Many apps are there, so you can search for them. Now if you're particularly switch to the game tab, this will help you search for games better. But if you're searching for a normal app, then you must switch to the apps tab. So hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, please do ask in the comment section below. Thank you. Bye bye. Like this video, share and subscribe.